But to be able to expand throughout more countries, we need to have feet on the ground there, and we need to have a deep knowledge of the different markets and the different industries. We truly believe that this knowledge is existing in many other consultants and companies out there, and we think that it's better for both us and our clients that they get local companies that can help them realize the values they need. Our go-to-market strategy is to have a partner network and have an indirect channel that we help our partners and support them, but it's the partners that gets the end clients and supports the end clients. We support our partners very closely. When we agree with a new partner, we start coaching them and help them to sell, and we co-invest in their local market, both in marketing and sales efforts. So we train them in selling, and we also train them in the system. And this training is done for free with no strings attached, meaning that you don't need to kind of make a risky investment on how to get the knowledge about RamBase. So we stand by our partners shoulder by shoulder the first implementations to really ensure that they have the support they need in the implementation phase. And we do this as long as it's necessary for them to feel confident on doing this on their own. And when they are able to do it on their own, we still support them. If they need to, they can invite us into projects, and they can invite us into training if they need that. So everything relies on our partners. We can make as good a software as we want, but if we don't get our partners to sell it out in the market, it doesn't matter. And this also means that we are really eager to help them out in the market and to help them succeed. Because in the end, this is what will become our success in the market as well. The more the partner succeeds in the market, the better it is for us.